University of New Money, University of New Mercy. This is the day 244 short. What a long video I had today. Hope you like it. Check it out. Check out unm.nu and bronco.tv for the updated spreadsheet. It has these topics too. Check out the topic summary at the 50-second mark of this video. Then I talked about standing up for causes, the NFL, Black Lives Matter, women, minorities, crypto update, longer Zoom video format, Pattinson is a good or bad Batman, the critical drinker, Batman, Joker, Ledger's death, Tim Burton, Beetlejuice, Baldwin, the shooting in New Mexico, Star Wars, Jack Nicholson as Joker, day 243 mistakes, Unicorn, Kristaps Porzingis, Batman Forever, Jim Carrey, JoBlo and Batman Forever, Dark Knight Rises from the Critical Drinker, should I do funny or serious videos, sports and politics, Arboretum, the meaning of dreams, Squid Game, Gravel the board game, and again my famous story of Jim Carrey and my friend from DC. Whew, a lot of fun stuff. Hope you enjoy. We'll be in touch soon. Take care.